Today we are going to solve convert time problem. So in the given problem, we will be given us a 12-hour clock with AM and PM, and we have to convert it into a 24-hour clock. This is a basic problem statement. Let us try to solve it. So first we will take an input. Let us assign a variable called time, and our input would be str. This is a very straightforward and simple problem. So if AM, if if the value is 12 some AM, then we'd be assigning it to a value of 00. You could read the problem statement and you could understand why I'm trying to convert it. This would be basic way of writing it. We're basically doing some string manipulation here, slicing and dicing. And here we will be basically taking the time, the hour and clock, and we'll be adding plus 12 to make it 24 o'clock if it's in 12. If the value is in PM, and we'll be printing that value. So first we'll be just printing the hour and time, and all the values of minutes and seconds will be printed as it is, and at last we'll be just not printing the PM part, PM or AM part. So last two characters will be excluding. This is the basic way of solving this problem. I hope the code is correct, not make any silly mistakes here. Okay. There is a runtime error. Let us check. Let us add some, just provide custom input, and let's check what's the issue. Typing errors. Okay, it is correct. Let us run the code now. It passed both of the test cases successfully, and let us submit the code. All the values have been passed successfully. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.